S.E.M, мы раскроем это дело и очистим наше имя. S.E.M.
An abbreviation or acronym. Its full meaning is not provided within the sentence and requires external context for a complete understanding. It's likely a name, code, or reference point specific to the situation where this sentence is used. Pronunciation depends on the full form.
Мы.
Means we or us, pronounced
Ни.
It is the first-person plural pronoun in Russian, indicating the speaker and at least one other person. It's grammatically the subject of both verbs in the sentence.
Раскроем.
Means, we will uncover, or, we will reveal. Pronounced roughly as
Раскроем.
This is the first-person plural future tense of the verb
Раскрыть.
raskryt, meaning, to uncover, to reveal, or, to solve a case. Quote. It indicates a future action performed by the group denoted by.
Мы. Это.
Means, this, or that. Pronounced.
И эчто.
A demonstrative pronoun referring to the
Кас.
or
Мытер.
being discussed. It points to a specific, previously understood object or situation.
Дело.
Means, case, matter, business, or affair. Pronounced.
Диалог.
A noun referring to the situation or problem that
Ви.
intend to solve. Here it likely refers to a legal, investigative, or similar kind of.
Кас. И.
Means, and, pronounced.
И.
A simple conjunction connecting the two clauses of the sentence.
Очистим.
Means, we will clear, or, we will cleanse. Pronounced roughly as.
Очистим.
This is the first-person plural future tense of the verb.
Очистить.
Очистить, meaning, to clean, to clear, or, to purify. It relates to clearing a reputation.
Наше.
Means, our. Pronounced.
Наше.
A possessive pronoun indicating the ownership of the.
Ним.
It is the genitive case of the first-person plural possessive adjective.
Имя.
Means, name, or, reputation. Pronounced.
Твоей.
A noun referring to the group's reputation or good name that needs to be cleared. Putting it together.
S.E.M, мы раскроем это дело и очистим наше имя.
Means, S.E.M. We will uncover this case and clear our name. It suggests a group's determination to solve a problem and restore their reputation. The meaning of seen is necessary for complete context.